Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Amy from Amy's Turnkey Travel. Today we're going to explore a Central Park balcony. Now we're going to be on deck 12, room 643. Come on in and check it out. The first thing you're going to notice as you walk into the room is that there is tons of storage for you guys. You're gonna walk in and immediately to your left, you have a desk with lots of plugs. You're going to have an area with pull-out drawers that's also going to contain your refrigerator. As we move into the bedroom area of the room, you're gonna notice you have the Royal King with nightstands and lights on each side. And you're gonna notice a great feature. You have a plug for one of the nightstands. Let's take a look at the storage. We do have two of these closets. The first one is going to have lots of shelving with your safe and pull-out drawers on the bottom. As we pass to look at the next closet, check out the couch here that also converts to another bed. And then the last closet in here is for all my ladies in your long dresses or the formal suits without any extra shelving. Let's take a look into the bathroom. Now in this stateroom, you're gonna notice that it does have a typical bathroom. You have your tube shower, your vanity with shelves. Now to wrap up this tour, I wanna go outside and show you guys the balcony. Now remember, this is a Central Park balcony. So that means it will be looking over the Central Park. Once outside, you're gonna have your two chairs, your tables, and it's a pretty decent size. Looking out over the railing, you're gonna notice Central Park down below. Some of your specialty restaurants, and you are facing the other Central Park balconies on the ship. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed our room tour of deck 12, room 643, which is your Central Park balcony view. Don't forget, you can always use the QR code to contact me to book the perfect cruise for you. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.